Happy morning, children.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes, children. We have seen about the different types of nutrients that are present in our food, right? We have seen about the carbohydrates, we have seen about the fats, we have seen about the proteins, and we have seen about what is the importance of water. Yes, and we have seen about the fibers. Okay. Next one that we are going to see is about deficiency diseases. What diseases?
Deficiency diseases.
Yes, deficiency disease. How a deficiency disease is caused? So when you are taking food, okay, which is deficient of which is lacking in one particular nutrient, keep on repeatedly eating like that. Okay, repeatedly you are eating. That is for a long period of time. That nutrient is never in your food. Okay, then you get a disease called as a deficiency disease. Okay, and mainly this mainly we concentrate on the vitamins. Okay, so now we are going to see about vitamin A. Okay, first we will see about the sources of vitamin A. From where do you get that vitamin A? We get it from yellow and orange vegetables like mango, pumpkin. Then you can say sweet potatoes will be there. Then spinach, that is all green leafy vegetables will contain a rich amount of vitamin A. And these are the sources. So you will have to take those food more to get the required amount of vitamin A. Then what is the function of this vitamin A? You all like glowing skin?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, as we are all girls, we love it. Even I, at this age, I love my glowing skin. Yes, so for that, for a good nourishment for the skin, we require this vitamin A. And the second thing is very important is one of our five senses. Any guesses?
Eyes.
Eyes, very good. Yes. So vitamin A is very important for our eyes. Okay, it gives us a clear vision. Okay, the sight, eyesight will be very clear if you eat a lot of vitamin A. Okay. And next, if this is going to be deficient, if it is not properly supplied, what will happen is we get a disease called as night blindness. What is it called?
Night blindness.
Or it is also called as nyctalopia. Okay, it's also called as nyctalopia. That is, there are two types of cells in our eyeball. Okay. Yes. So in the eyeball we have rods and cones. So rods, you will be able to see the dim light. Let me show you a picture of how the night blindness will be. Let us discuss about that. Yes, children? Yes, children, we are going to see about vitamin B. So vitamin B, when you take, okay, it is also a very important vitamin. And if you take the sources, if you take, will be present in whole grain. What do you mean by whole grain? Along with the husk, without removing the outer skin. It is called as a whole grain. So with the whole grain we make bread, roti, all those things. And red rice is also a rich source of vitamin B. Okay. Then it's also present in dairy products like milk, cheese, butter, all those dairy products, and also in all the non-vegetarian meat. Food. Okay. So mutton, chicken, fish, all are rich sources of vitamin B. Okay. Now we are going to see what is the function of this vitamin B. Okay. The function of vitamin B is it will help us to get energy from the food that we eat. Okay. Once the food is being digested, it gets absorbed. Okay. From that, why do we eat food? To get
Energy.
Yes. So this energy we get only through this vitamin B. Okay. It acts as a catalyst to production of ATP. Okay. So we get energy. That is one main function. The second function is it is very important. It is very important for the brain as well as the nervous system. It keeps our nervous system very healthy. Okay. And what is the disease that is being caused by this is
Beri Beri.
Beri Beri. Yes, very good. It is Beri Beri. So when you take Beri Beri, what will happen is we feel tired throughout the day. That is, we don't get energy. Okay, and also our nerves will become very weak. Okay, and blisters will appear inside the mouth. Just like your ulcers, towards the corners of the lips you have the blisters, and also towards the inner cheek. Yes? Next we are going to see about vitamin C. Okay? So when you take vitamin C, it is present in all citrus fruits. Okay? Like lemon, grapes, apples, and also it is also present in pineapples, strawberries, and it is also present in potatoes and vegetables like cauliflower and cabbage. So you can remember cauliflower is starting with C letter. Cauliflower and cabbage are rich in which children? Vitamin C. Very good. So vitamin C is present in all these sources, and what is the important function of this vitamin is it boosts our immune power. What is immune power? The ability of the body to fight against the germs. What does the germ cause within us? It causes some diseases, right? So we should be healthier. We should not get that disease. Means you have to eat vitamin C. It is an immunity booster. Okay, it helps us to be very healthy. It fights against the disease, against the germs. Okay, so this is vitamin C is one important function. The other important function is it is very important for the teeth and the gums. The teeth and the gums. The gums only will hold your teeth, right? So, for a very good and healthy gums, we need this vitamin C. Okay. What is the disease that is caused by vitamin C called? Is called as scurvy. Okay. So, second letter is C. So, remember it is for vitamin C. So, what happens in that is bleeding gums will come. Okay. We have bleeding gums, and the teeth will not stand in its position. It will be shaking. And we get that disease, always the bleeding of the gums will come. Okay, and also our joints. Where are the joints? Elbow, then knee. Yes, the joint must, you have this joint pains. Okay, so in order to avoid all these, you have to eat a lot of citrus fruits and cabbage, cauliflower, and milk products to get vitamin C. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, children, we have seen about vitamin A, B and C. Next, we are going to vitamin D. Okay. So, vitamin D, it is present in egg, meat, fish. All the non-vegetarian food are rich in vitamin D, and there is a natural source of vitamin D. Any guesses? Yes?
Sunlight.
Sunlight. We get vitamin D through our skin. The skin will absorb the vitamin D from the sunlight. Yes? And what is the important function of this vitamin D is it helps our bones to be very strong and teeth to be very strong. Okay, so we want a bone strong, so we should have very much vitamin D to make our bone strength. Yes, it is the skeleton is the framework, right? We have to be very strong to get our bone strength. Means what we have to have? Vitamin D. Okay, and it also helps us to have a healthy teeth. Okay, along with vitamin C, this also will help us to maintain the healthy teeth. And also here again it boosts the immunity the same way like that of the vitamin C. It boosts our immunity to fight against the diseases. Okay, children. So the deficiency disease that is caused by vitamin D deficiency is Rickets. How many of you like Rickets?
Ma'am.
Yes. So mostly we all have the favorite as Dhoni, right? So remember Dhoni and R. Okay. Instead of Ricket it is Ricket. Okay. So what will happen is the bones will become very soft. Okay, the bones will become very weak, and they have a bow-shaped legs. We all have straight legs, right? So their legs will be in the shape of a bow like this. I will show you a picture. Okay, bones will become soft and weak, and also it slows down the growth in children. Okay, that is called as the stunted growth. They will not grow to the normal height. They will become stunted growth. They will be very short, and decay of the teeth will take place. Okay, so this is about the vitamin D.
Stop.